Manufacturing is the heartbeat of any company producing durable goods. However, any hiccups in this process can ripple through the entire organization, causing significant disruptions. Today, we explore how implementing an enterprise resource planning or ERP system can streamline manufacturing operations and solve common inefficiencies. Back-end operations form the backbone of revenue-generating activities. These behind-the-scenes processes, including IT, development, sales, and business operations, are crucial for seamless functioning of the organization. In manufacturing, various departments like engineering, research and development, manufacturing systems engineering, and the manufacturing department itself play pivotal roles. Each ensures the product moves smoothly from concept to market. But what happens when inefficiencies creep in? Supply chain disruptions, inefficient inventory management, and poor production planning can wreak havoc. Delays, overstocking, underproduction, and labor shortages all stem from a lack of cohesive data management. This is where an ERP system shines. ERP systems centralize data, providing real-time access to all departments. This integration allows for better supply chain management, optimal inventory levels, precise production planning, efficient labor management, and robust cash flow management. Did you know 38% of businesses reduced inventory levels and 62% experienced cost reductions after implementing ERP systems? Additionally, 60% of businesses improved their decision-making processes. ERP systems also ensure compliance with industry regulations and streamline data management across various departments, enhancing scalability and flexibility. While ERP systems offer numerous advantages, they come with challenges such as customization, complexity, and change management. However, the long-term benefits far outweigh these barriers. By investing in ERP systems, companies can plan more accurately, implement data-driven strategies, and ultimately achieve greater efficiency and profitability. ERP systems transform manufacturing from a series of potential bottlenecks into a streamlined, efficient process, setting the stage for long-term success. Invest in the future, invest in ERP. Thank you for watching. For more insights, visit our website or contact us directly.